Hello everyone, this is Bibi. So before starting the video, I like everyone to congratulate AIMS Cyber candidates who have qualified now say 2020. So congratulations guys from our channel. So please subscribe our channel, The Nightingale Tales, for genuine and regular updates regarding all nursing and medical field careers recruitments. So before starting the video, I would like to tell every candidate who have qualified NOSET 2020 to be alert and hurry up guys with your original documents. Uh, be ready for your physical verification of documents. Till now only AIMS, Jodhpur, Raebareli and other institutes have been called for document verification. So only three AIMS branches have published regarding physical verification of documents. There is no update from other AIMS branches like Nagar or Mangalgiri or Bathinda, Kalyani. So there's been no update from these institutes. Only three institutes, that is branches of AIMS, that is Raebareli, Deoghar and Jodhpur, have called for this document verification. So here all the video is for you guys. Um, as usual, they have published a notification on 18th February. So the document verification for the post of nursing officer on direct recruitment basis at AIMS Raebareli through NOSET 2020. So they given date, time and venue. Date is for around three dates: 22nd February, 23rd February and 24th February. So they have given one date for one candidate, one group of candidates, that is annexure 1, annexure 2 and annexure 3 candidates. So you guys check it out, where your hall ticket number is in, whether it is in annexure 1 or annexure 2 and or annexure 3. So please check it out that carefully and report to that institute on that particular date which is allotted to you or to your annexure. So time is from 9:30 a.m. onwards as usual. So and the venue is Medical College AIMS Raebareli. You should report to Medical College AIMS Raebareli, which is the venue. So be on time guys, uh, and careful with your documents. Carry your original documents correct if there are any mistakes in your documents within the time period. And it is only 3 days for the candidates to carry their documents. So be alert and hurry up with your documents. So the list of the documents is given below, and it is as usual. uh, the list has been published before the allocation of institutions itself, and the same list has been given here. So you have to report to the institute with these documents. Better to carry two copies, one original and one xerox with you, so that it would be easy for you. One is SSC memo for date of birth proof, and other one is OD or provisional degree. If the candidate is a BSc nurse and she or he completed recently the BSc nursing, if you have only provisional degree, you can carry it. You can carry only provisional degree and can submit it. So state or central nursing council registration certificate. And if the candidate is GNM, he or she should carry experience certificate of 2 years working under a hospital which is more than 50 bedded or 50 bedded hospital, and NOC if the candidate is working under any government sector, institute or any autonomous body or anything. Next, caste certificate for all the candidates who have qualified under reserved categories. And if the candidate is physically disabled, he or she should compulsory carry this physically disabled certificate with them. Admit card and registration slip having your candidate having your signature, and if and any ID card of government authority like Aadhaar card, PAN card, a passport or voter ID. And every candidate must and should carry this affidavit, which is a non-judicial stamp paper of rupees 50. So they have given how that stamp paper um, should be carried out. So they have given what are the details that are to be printed or that are to be copied to that judicial non-judicial stamp paper. So you should get all these done within the time period, and you should carry this with you to the institute on the day of reporting, that is 23rd or 24th or 22nd February with you guys, along with these original documents. Along the with that 11 documents, you should carry this too. Remember this. So hurry up guys, go and get your non-judicial stamp paper of rupees 50 and carry with you. So before reporting to the institute, Raebareli, you should check out your certificates and whether if there are any mistakes in that. They have published three annexures, uh, annexures having 180 around 180 candidates in each annexure. So check out your ID or hall ticket number in that particular annexure carefully, and go to that institute or report to the Raebareli Institute on your particular date, which is given to you only on particular date. So all the best guys for your nursing career. I wish everyone all the best for your career. Please subscribe our channel for more updates regarding medical and nursing recruitments and everything. Guys, we are putting our best efforts to give you updates. So please keep up with us. Subscribe our channel. Thank you.